Hi, good morning, social studies students. I just wanted to go over quickly our assignment for today. Today is Thursday, the 2nd of April, and we're going to have until tomorrow evening to finish this project. There are two parts to it. One is to make sure that we're analyzing two political cartoons that are in the folder there, and then you're going to use the Google document to fill out the post, which is the people, objects, symbols, text, and you're going to also get the tone of that particular cartoon and the point of view. So we'll go through that quickly in this description of this cartoon that I'm going to model for you. In the cartoon that you're going to design on your own, which is in phase 2 of this project, it's a 2-day project, you will make sure that you're doing a Cold War cartoon from the period from the late 1940s until 1991, which is the end of the Cold War, which was the fall of the Soviet Union. In our first cartoon here, I want to describe, again, we're looking at objects, people, symbols, and we're also looking at text. So in this, we see one of the big objects here is the atomic bomb. And we're also seeing that there are people that are sitting in chairs here. So, and they also look like they're animated. This guy has a fist up. This one, they're also called armchair strategists. We're looking at the text. Yes, sir, we got to get ready for the next war. Mark my words, we're going to fight somebody. Again, and look, we have a cigar here that's very close to what it appears to be a fuse to this big atomic bomb. So as we go through and we analyze each part of this, we're going to make sure that we're identifying what the message of this cartoon is all about. At the top, you can see very lightly, "Take it easy, boys, it's loaded." That's another piece of text that we're going to also analyze. So as we go through here, we can come to the conclusion as we're analyzing it that this is a negative cartoon. It conveys a message of fear in a way that, that we're going to take away fear because we're afraid that at any point we could go to an atomic war or some kind of battle anywhere, because it says somebody here. It doesn't mean it could be anywhere. And we're ready for the next war. So it's getting us concerned and worried about the next war. And that's what this message is to convey, is that worry that there could be a next war at any time. The other is that when they say armchair strategist, these two are making decisions about something that's going to impact all of the soldiers that are going to fight in the war, so they really have no say in it. So again, it pokes at those that are making decisions about what the next war will be without including those people that really need to know and be part of it. So that's our political analysis of this. I want you to do 2 cartoons of your own. If you're modified, you can do 1. And then you do need to do your own cartoon that you're going to design. You're going to do it in different colors. You're going to have, again, all these different pieces to it that we talked about. Post, which is people, objects, symbols, text, and the tone to it. And what's the point of view? Is it negative or positive? So make sure that you include all that in your design. You're going to draw that, and then you're going to upload it. You're going to take a picture of it and upload it to Classroom along with your response to the Google document. Okay? All right, guys, I will see you tomorrow. Have a good one.